Children, last class we have seen exercise 7.1. Today we will see 7.2. Draw the triangle using the given parameters. Parameters means the measurement. All the three sides, three angles, it may be anything. These three questions we will solve. Now see, AB 4 cm, BC 7 cm, AC 5 cm. Take your scale. First, draw a line of AB 4 cm. Name it A, B 4 cm. Now BC 7 cm. In rough, you take BC 7 cm. Measure with your rounder BC how much it is? 7 cm. What is the name? BC. On your copy what it is there? AB. That means B you put the rounded tip, cut an arc. Then AC 5. Then AC 5. You measure 5 cm in the rough, that is AC. What it is there in your copy? A or C? A. Then put the rounder at A, cut again on the previous arc. Where it will intersect, name it C. Now join CA and CB. Now you write the value. BC how much? 7 cm. AC 5 cm. This is the triangle what we got. Now for this we have to write the construction. First what we have done, draw a line segment AB of 4 cm. Mark an arc of radius 5 cm from point A with the help of compass. Then from point B, mark an arc of radius 7 cm. Both arcs will intersect at a point, name it point C. Join CA and CB. Thus triangle ABC formed or obtained, you can write. Is this clear? Now second question we will see. The next question, AB is 5 cm, BC 6 cm, CA 5 cm. Now AB 5 cm. Draw a line AB of 5 cm, name it A, B, right? 5 cm. Then what is it? BC 6. In the rough, you take an arc BC of 6 cm. Then BC, what is there in your copy? B. Then on B, put the rounder and draw an arc. Then AC 5 cm. Again in the rough, you measure 5 cm. That is AC. Then from A, draw an arc where the both arc will intersect, name it point C. Then join CA and CB. CA and CB. Then AB is 5 cm and BC is 6 cm. Is it clear? In this also you have to write a step of construction. Same, draw a line segment AB of 5 cm, mark an arc of radius 5 cm from point A with the help of compass or rounder. Again, now from point B, mark an arc of radius 6 cm. Both arcs will intersect at a point, name it point C. What you are cutting like this, it is called a arc. It is called a arc. A-R-C, arc. Join CA and CB. Thus triangle ABC is obtained or formed. Now we will see the third question. What is the question? AB equal 4 cm, BC 6 cm, CA 7 cm. First we will draw AB of 4 cm. Draw AB of 4 cm. You name over here A and B, that is 4 cm. BC 6 cm. You draw and measure over here 6 cm. BC from point B, draw an arc. Then CA is 7 cm. Again you measure in the rough CA 7 cm. That is CA 7 cm. Where both the arc intersect, name it point C. Then join CA and CB. Then BC how much? 6 centimeter. CA how much? 7 centimeter. You have to write in each side. Now the triangle ABC is constructed. Again, you have to write the step of construction. Same. Draw a line segment AB of 4 centimeter. Mark an arc of radius 7 centimeter from point A with the help of compass or rounder. Now from point B, mark an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Both arcs will intersect at a point named midpoint. C join CA and CB. Thus triangle ABC is formed. Is it clear? Now in the next class we will see exercise 7.3.